Okay, guys, welcome to the next episode of Daily Sculpts. And in this in this video, I will sculpt. I sculpted Carbide or Carbide. I don't know how to say it from Fortnite, and. If you don't know what's Fortnite, you should check it on the internet, but I assume that you know. And maybe you don't like the game, but the characters and the art style there is very nice looking, for me at least. And I wanted to do something from that. And also when I will have a tutorial about how to make pump shotgun from Fortnite, and this will be on YouTube. I don't know when, but I'm actually started making it, but still don't know when I will upload an first episode because I don't have time now. So you will just have to wait, but it looks very nice, and you can already check it on my Arstation if you would like. So basically Carbide is a human, but he has a robot armor and helmet, and this is the first head that is quite hard surface, so and robotic. So this was quite a good challenge for me, and I wanted to try how to make him, how to also hard surface sculpt. I don't know how to say it. How to sculpt hard surface models like helmets and sci-fi stuff. So if you would like to make in the future some hard surface sculpting, you can learn a bit from these videos, but this one is not the best, but I do have some good tips. So maybe first I didn't finish whole head because I didn't have enough time, so I basically made only the front and the back. I tried it. I made it look reasonably okay, but I didn't finish it because I also didn't know how to approach it, and there's not a lot of references on the internet. I had an idea to actually go into the game and just go to the locker, and then you can choose the Carbide skin if you have it, and you can rotate it and see from every angle. But if I did that, my computer would crash because it's slow. So I didn't do that, and I was looking only at the references that are available on the internet. So here I'm basically I changed his shape of his skull a lot because it wasn't right in the right place, and also I changed my detail to be quite high. If you are sculpting hard surface model sculpts, it is crucial to use high details because you want those sharp edges. And here I'm just marking where the intersections of the helmet parts should be, and later I will refine it. And also at my first plan was actually to make it more separate, so each part would be separate, but then I changed my mind because I have to fit into time limit. So you will see me making those extensions on his head and also on his cheek as one part of the head. So I'll basically use a mask tool and mask it and then grab it, pull it out. But normally you shouldn't, I think you shouldn't do that. You should make a separate object for those kind of things. Yeah, like you can see me doing this right now. And then after you finish making those objects, at the end you can join them together. But yeah, I didn't have time, so I did it as one object. And when I pull out the geometry, I usually use a snake tool brush, and snake tool basically differs from grab brush that it creates additional geometry on the model, and grab brush don't. So when I pull out from hard surface sculpts, I use grab brush because I want the edges that I pull out to be sharp, so that's why I use grab brush. And guys, I noticed that I had Hellboy references on every video before, and I can't change it now because I uploaded it already and I didn't notice that, so sorry guys. Yeah, so don't care about that. So guys, I think I will leave you with the time-lapse because I have nothing more to say. And yeah, enjoy it guys. And this is the last part when I sculpt heads, and in the next parts I will start sculpting body parts, so torso, etc., both male and female. So yeah, I'm quite excited. And yeah, I will still come back to heads, but later I want to take a break from the heads and try to sculpt something new and learn something new. So I hope you will also like it. And yeah, I have lots of ideas on future sculpts, and I will upload everything if I have time. So don't worry guys if I will not upload for, I don't know, few weeks, not few weeks, maybe few days, because I have a lot of stuff to do. But everything is recorded, everything is on my computer, and once I edited everything, I will upload it. Yeah, so goodbye guys, and enjoy my sculpt, and goodbye.